Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I love it when I can figure something out to help people. And I'm just going to draw this from scratch from what the gentleman did, just so you'll know what's going on. And his problem, when I get to his problem, draw a perfect rectangle, holding down the control button. Then get your shape tool and hold down the control button and shape in these two corners. Doesn't really matter what size. Control D, get your two-sided arrow. Control D, holding down the control button, get your two-sided arrow. I would go ahead and group those together. And then I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate and rotate it 45 degrees. Now I'm going to make both of these a red outline. And I'm going to group them together. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of it. I'm going to change my nudge factor like to 20. I'm going to make a duplicate of this guy and move it over before I do anything else. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to Control D and get the two-sided arrow, bring it in, and I'm going to make that one yellow. And then he's going to the blend tool. Make sure you get both items. Go up to Object Blend, and he said 30 times, so I've already tried this, and it worked pretty good. Now, he was smart enough to go and break the blend apart and then to group it together. But he only wants this part. So he's painstakingly, and this is what the question was, he's painstakingly having to, and even if he holds down the Alt key, you still got a lot to get, and there's some really tight lines in there that, bam. So then if you hold down the Alt key, well, you've got to do that every, 8 times. So instead of doing that, I kind of thought, we want this. Let's make sure it's all still one group, and I can hit P to put it back. Let's take the Smart Fill and fill in the part we want on this copy, making sure we get rid of the lines. And you can see lines in here, so we either need to group it or combine it. And whenever you can combine it, you're better off. And then just nudge it back over, select both items, and go intersect. And look at that. It trimmed away all the other stuff in 2 seconds. Anyway, I'm pretty sure he will be excited, and I'm just glad I could help him and figure it out. And I really want to try this later with him more than 30, but that does look pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped them or him and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.